Hello guys, welcome back to Simply Jane's Kitchen. So right now we are heating the frying pan for this bangus. So we're going to have fried bangus, pritong bangus o piniritong bangus. Marinated na po ito. Takpan mo talaga basta bangus. Ayan, golden brown, tostado po para masarap. So, ito po si Simply Jane from my kitchen saying enjoy the rest of the day, do your best, and God will do the rest. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification bell so that you will be updated every time we release a new video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and see you soon.